Hey guys, welcome to this informative tutorial on how to stop videos from automatically playing on your Facebook app. To do this, open the Facebook app on your device. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you see the video tab. You tap on it. You can see this video is playing automatically. Now to remove it, you tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to open your Facebook settings. You scroll down and locate Preferences. Under the Preferences section, you tap on Media. Here, you can access all your medias on Facebook. In the Autoplay section, on the switch to Never Autoplay Videos. You turn it on. So, these are automatically being saved. Problem solved. Now let's check by tapping the video icon at the bottom of the screen. Now you can see that the video is not playing itself. So you have successfully stopped videos from automatically playing. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips. See you in the next video, guys.